In this video, discover why eating avocado is essential for your health. Avocado, this nutrient-rich superfood, is packed with heart-healthy fats, fiber, and powerful antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which support eye health, boost immune function, and helps fight inflammation in the body. Adding an avocado to your diet daily or weekly is good for better digestion, brain function, and helps with radiant skin. Avocado is rich in many nutrient-dense immune-boosting nutrients such as vitamin C, vitamin E, and B6. Adding avocado to your daily diet is a smart way to support overall health. Avocado is rich in healthy monounsaturated fats. Avocados help reduce bad cholesterol and support heart health. Avocado is packed with fiber to aid food digestion and the essential vitamins and the antioxidants lutein and zeaxanthin helps protect the body from inflammation and infections. Avocado is rich in nutrients. It has creamy texture and rich nutrients, and it's super delicious. Eating an avocado daily helps to nourish the body in a significant way. Avocado can be taken as snacks or with regular meal. Adding avocado to your daily diet might be the game changer you need to boost your health, will change and improve your body health vitals significantly.